It's a full stack web application. The front end's written in React and Redux, and the back end's in Node.js, MongoDB, and Express. So basically, it's similar to Twitter or some sort of blog. Basically, it's called Epiheny, and basically users can log in and keep track of the epiphanies they've had in their lives and write them down, and then see what other users are also epiphenating about. And so just when we go to the home page, you can just see all the epiphanies listed. I just have a bunch of dummy data here, and each individual epiphany has an author, a date, a number of likes, number of favorites, and then the epiphany itself, and then description. So we can also just search through these epiphanies, and it'll just do that. A very simple search through the epiphany and the description. Also have this little about page that just explains what's going on, and then the titles, which I'll explain in a minute. And so you can obviously also log in, and you can create an account by clicking here. If you already have an account, you'll just log in. So if we want to log in with some dummy user, it'll directly take us to a dashboard, and you can see all your epiphanies. And when it belongs to you, then you have the option to delete it. So if we want to delete it, we can just click the trash icon there. You can also see your favorites and your likes, and the heart or the star will be filled in depending on whether you like it or not. If we go, okay, and here on the right, we can see a profile section where you have your title, and that's based on this, and it's just based on how many epiphanies you've had so far. And just some quick stats about how many epiphanies you've had, how many of you've favorited, and how many you've liked, and when you joined Epipheny. And there's a little bio here, and you can also adjust this bio and just say whatever you want. And then if you click this, it'll put that in MongoDB, and that'll be your new bio. If we go back to home, we can look through the epiphanies here, and if we want to favorite something, we can just do that. It'll show up automatically, and then if we go to our dashboard, we can see that it's been added. And the same goes for likes, of course. So we can see that those have been added. If we want to add a new epiphany, we can just start typing in something, whatever, and then we need to add some sort of description, and then we can epiphenate it, and then it'll show up our epiphanies. And yeah, I guess that's more or less it. And then obviously we can log out and then log back in as a different user if we want, and just see this person's favorites. If they have none, then it's just going to say that. And yeah, I guess that's it.